Hello and welcome to the Writing Nook here at Fruitiful Soul. Today we write a haiku. 3 lines, a measured breath, a moment received. So grab that journal and a pencil or pen and let's begin. Open your journal to a blank page. Across the page, draw 3 short horizontal lines, one near the top, one in the middle, and one near the bottom. These lines will hold the 3 breaths of your haiku. Before writing, settle your attention. If you can, step outside or stand near a window. If not, call to mind a moment in nature you remember clearly. For a few moments, do not write. Just observe. Notice what you see. Notice what you hear. Notice scent, texture, temperature, movement. Let the moment arrive fully. Now, in the margins of the page, begin jotting down what you notice. Single words are enough. Short fragments are enough. There is no order yet. Just gather what is present. As you observe, notice 2 quiet elements that shape every haiku. The first is season. A haiku is always placed in time. The second is the cut, a turn in attention. Haiku often begin in stillness and then reveal change. One of the most delightful haiku of all time begins with a quiet pond, and then a frog jumps in. And the whole world shifts in just a moment. Notice where the moment opens, where one awareness gives way to another. Hold that place quietly in mind. Now, begin shaping your haiku. Write 3 lines. The first line carries about 5 syllables, the second 7, and the third returns to 5. Use the rhythm as a guide. Let the image stay clear. Let the breath stay natural. Often one line places the moment, another allows the shift, the final line responds. You don't need to decide this in advance. Let the order reveal itself as you write. When I write haiku, I think of it as breathing. Breathing in what the world is showing me, and breathing out my response. When you've written your haiku, read it aloud. Ask yourself, did I stay true to the form? 3 lines held in 5/7/5 rhythm. Does this poem feel like a response to something I truly observed and felt? Does it honor the moment, letting the image speak without explanation? If yes, you did it. You wrote a haiku. Good work. Hey, just to let you know, I've linked a writing guide and an example poem in the description if you'd like more. And there's a book too if you want to go deeper. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you dropped by. Tune in again. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more. And until then, stay charmed.